Good evening and welcome to the Weather Centre. Once again, another cloud-free day across South Africa with pleasant daytime temperatures over the interior. An offshore circulation resulted in very warm conditions along the west coast and the adjacent interior this afternoon, where maximums reached the upper 20s and even low 30s in places. There's a coastal low-pressure system approaching the Western Cape during the course of tonight. This will result in the offshore flow turning onshore during the course of tomorrow, resulting in a cooler day for the extreme western parts. But for the south coast and the adjacent interior, a very warm day lies ahead with bergwind conditions expected. Over the rest of South Africa, very little change is expected, with mild conditions over the northern parts and warmer weather over the extreme east. So needless to say, we're not expecting any rain for tonight. No rain is expected tomorrow either. And on our wind stream analysis, we can see the northerly to northeasterlies over the western parts slowly but surely becoming northwesterly during the course of tomorrow morning. We're expecting a windy day over the western interior with northwesterlies reaching up to 40 kilometers per hour. Bergwinds expected along the south coast, so it's going to be a warm and blustery day for the south coast, while light winds affect the northeastern parts of the country. Overnight temperatures will stay very low over the Free State and the Highveld, where minimums could drop below 0 degrees. 4 overnight in Johannesburg, 6 in Mahikeng and Pretoria. Along the east coast, another cool night, Durban dropping to a low of 10. But we can see the shades of yellow along the south coast, where temperatures will be affected by bergwinds. For Cape Town, a low of 11 degrees and 7 overnight in Vredendal. Maximums will remain high over the western interior with 28 in Springbok, 30 degrees in Vredendal. But for the immediate coastal areas, cooler conditions, 22 in Cape Town as opposed to 31 in George and Port Elizabeth. For the east coast tomorrow, Durban slightly cooler with a high of 24 and 27 degrees expected in Richards Bay. Our outlook towards the weekend shows no change over the eastern parts of South Africa, except for slightly warmer conditions in KZN and in Mpumalanga. Meanwhile, a cold front reaches Cape Town and we're expecting light rain throughout Friday. By Saturday, rain spreads further east. Showers are likely in Graafrenet and Port Elizabeth, and we'll see drastic drops in temperature over the western part.